All right, you trader nerds, welcome in. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like 485, like AAR, like Blue Phone, like Christina and Stefan, DB, Drew, Dwayne, Hal, James, Jason, Jim B, Jordan, Matt Jollywally, Mike, Mo, PSG, Reginald, Ricardo, Schwaz, Scott, Steve, Stephen, Tim, and Adam. Good day, America. How are y'all? Who's running the country? Does anybody know? Has anybody seen Papa Joe? I hadn't seen him in a while, and I don't think he's been seen for 5 days. And everybody's starting to, be a little bit like, is he okay? Is he, what's the deal? Is he, he's handing off power? He's doing all these things. It's really a remarkable time. And we just visited, if you ever get a chance to go to Warm Springs, Georgia, and visit uh, uh, the home place of Franklin D. Roosevelt, where he actually passed away as he was posing for a portrait. And you can see the chair he died in, and they put him on his bed. And you see his bedroom and the whole house and everything. It's really good. Where he went to the Warm Springs to try to help with his polio. And there was a lot of cover up back during FDR's time of his condition and ailments. And that kind of is what's going on in the country today. So we really don't know the condition of the president. We heard him on the phone call yesterday, but had no one seen him. So kind of strange times. And I would say just be careful in the market. If something were to figure out and he resigned or stepped aside or something like that and turned over the reins to Kamala Harris, that would probably be a pretty big binary event in the market. Not sure how the market would digest that, but it's just something to be on the lookout for. So, just be on the lookout. Things are, yeah, Dwayne said Biden's phone call was pre-recorded. It sounded like she said, thanks for being on the road. And then she said, call. And I'm like, I don't know, man. Just weird times. So I pray everything's okay with Biden. Hope he's okay. Hope he got over COVID. And, we don't wish ill of anybody, but we sure would like to know what's going on. But certainly strange. So let's look see what the market's doing. Market's doing what the market does. It's going up a little bit, 0.23% above the opening 15-minute range, above VWAP. The hourly mid-man is going up, and cash open was right here. And the VIX is 14. AD is putrid at 0. How about that? Half going down, half going up. I guess is what that means. And let's look at the big green monster, see what the big green monster shows. And the big green monster shows that indeed we went back to the 50% line. I think we said that that was going to happen yesterday, and we're filling in some of those gaps there. So may want to go back to the point of control. We shall see, or it may want to go back here, but probably a tight little range here. And really, for the next few days, I don't see big down or big up. I see just consolidation for a while. Look at the linear regression. Linear regression has said, hey, went down to the 50% line, and now we're headed back up. So we'll see. Nothing really to glean here either from the linear regression. So let's see how our little account's doing today. And we hadn't traded this since Thursday. And we may be down or we may be up. Let's see what we're at here today. So here we are at 7. Today is the 23rd. Unbelievable, y'all. Isn't that crazy? And our net lick is, whoa, we made some money. 280, 466.44. We made $6,840. Fire at the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
So we made just about everything that we lost. So we're doing really, really good. $35,000 on the year. Not bad at all for a good day's work. Let's see what our Greeks and ratios are. Now, for some reason, it shows that I'm using a lot of buying power. So let's look and see what we got going on here with our little thing here. So we are at 491,330. 491,330. Glad my deltas went down. 491,330. And we said we were in the 14 handle. So still a little elevated there, still a little elevated there. Now this is where it's confusing. I don't know why I'm using so much buying power. Let's see what we're using over here. Let's see, positions, count requirement, making me sign in. If I can remember my password, there we go. So count requirement. Well, where's it at? In the ES. So it says we're using 104%. So we are at 227.08, 227.08. Let's put that in, 227.08. Did anyone else's margin requirements go up like that? Look at that. That's 78%, y'all. It's crazy. Anybody else? Not sure why that went up so much. Let's see if we had any GTC orders. I don't think we have. Activity, field. Let's go. 14 days. 716. GTC at 25. That was me doing that, I think. So that shouldn't be anything. So I don't know. I guess I'll have to close some bill. I don't think I've got a margin call yet, but I don't feel comfortable using that much. Let's see if there's anything that we can close here. Let's see. See if we've got our positions here. We certainly don't need to put on a trade. Let's see if we can figure out our positions here. This little thing is at 76%. BSH, naked put 23 is at 96%. Well, hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies.
Yes, hallelujah. Naked put 23. We will see you later. You have done your job. Y'all hear my little dog yapping? 890. That seems like a lot. Let's see. Get rid of that. 890. Probably gonna make me go to 9, isn't it? Nope, 895. Naked put 23, 895. Let's do that. Shut up. Beth, let that dog out. Naked put 23. Here he is. For 895. Let's get him off here. 95. And we got on him in 723.24. And this put debit spread has a 0. That's a 0. Let's do that. Let's see. This is 4 days ago, which would have been what, the 19th? Which would have been 0. Just clean this stuff up, y'all. 23. And then this was a -4. So that would have been 0 at 7/19/23 or 24, I mean. Okay, that's a loss. 8, 3, 3, 3, 3, 115. Let's see what else we got here. So now our next oldest naked put is naked put 24. Let's see how he's doing. Naked put 24. This is portfolio management, y'all, at its best. And it's tedious and it's boring, but it's fun. Naked put 24. So we got rid of 23. Where's 24? Uh-huh. Well, hello, ladies. 93%. Take it off, baby. So this one is going to be at 260, 255, 255. Naked put 24.
I think that was 25.
What was it? Oh, did I take off naked put 25?
I think so. I double checked.
Yeah, let me see there. Hey, hell, let's see. Naked put, yeah, it was, wasn't it? Must have been 25. Let's see which one it was I took off. I filled the 4,500. Let's see if that was 25. 4,500, you're right. I took him off at what, 255? So we made a good profit on him. Let's see, so 723.24. Just peeling the winners off, y'all. That's all I'm doing, trying to get my buying power down. So let's go back to 24. Naked put 24. positions. Nikki put 24. Close him at 235. 235, it should go. Yep, 235. Nikki put 24 at 235. And 7, 23, 24. Now we closed about 3 or 4 of our naked puts, so 3 of our naked puts, I guess. Let's see what that does. Let's fix this up where it just shows our blank ones. Now let's see what our Greeks and ratios are. So now we have taken our Greeks and ratios at, oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. See, I've got buying power now. So 455, 269. 455, 269. God, if y'all ever get this, and I hope you do, just coming in here every day, look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so good. And now let's see what our thing is here. So we'll go to positions, go to count requirement. We got to do this here. So now we're at 204, 171. 204, 170. Oh, yes. 204, 171. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't think there's anything else for me to do. I think it's just sit on it. And can you do the big green monster on crude? Well, heck yeah, I bet, Jolly Wally. You darn right I can, because there ain't much to do in this account. So look, y'all, this is, do y'all get it? Y'all really get this? I mean, you sit there and go, oh, I'm elevated a little bit on my stuff. I'll close a few things, get your theta back in order, get your buying power a little bit better. Now, I could really, you know, close some more, I guess, but my deltas are only 34, 2 positive. I mean, I think I'm good. Got my theta where I want it, even though my buying power is elevated a little bit. That's fine. Let's just sit here. Let's just sit here. So you want the big green monster on crude. Let's see what the big green monster on crude looks like. Let's see how we do it. Got to remember how to do this. Let's see. Here we go. Here. And let's go plain chart. And we'll go CL. See what old crude oil looks like. Where is crude oil? There we go. So I'm guessing this is July. This is June. So we use June for July. Let's see what this looks like. So we got to go, this little fella went to the market. We got to go from here to here. See if I remember how to do this, Matt Jolly Wally. Let's see, edit properties. So my high and my low was high is 82.18. 18, and my low was 72.61. I was close. And let's put the OK button there. So now we got to go and get this other little tool, which is this thingy. And we draw from, see how we do this. We draw from this to this, and then to the 100. Like that. And then we take the 100 to the 200. 100 to the 200. And then we take this little thing, this little piggy, and we put it down right there. Hit the escape key. Let's delete this. Remove drawing and make this green, baby, the color of cash. And then we'll call this June for July. Hit OK. Then we'll go to volume profile. And we'll type in CL and see what we can tell you about crude oil. For those of y'all trading crude oil. Uh-huh. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, Matt Jolly Wally. Here's what I can tell you about crude oil. Crude oil, isn't it neat how that just interchanges around that little place there? It's like a little swing part. Crude oil is overbought for the fair value zone below it. So if it were to stay in this area for a while, right, then it looks like oil would be going down. So this is fairly, now, if we come back in here in the next day or two, then that gets bullish on oil. But if we stay in here for a few days, that's bearish. So I think overall, I'm looking bearish on oil. Let's go and look at this. Let's look right here and see if we can type in CL here and see what this looks like with linear regression. Yeah. See, the overall thing of crude oil is bearish. So yeah, I think we may have a little bit lower to go in oil. Kind of bearish on oil. How about that? All right, anyone else got something? If not, I love you and appreciate you. Thanks for coming in and sharing and trading with us every day. And I will see everybody tomorrow. Bye, y'all.